with this accidental entrepreneurship that happened, the grateful thing about growth and how you were able to generate an income, October of 2021, you were able to quit your full-time job. How did it feel to go ahead and say, hey, I'm out of this. I'm not doing a 9 to 5. This is what I'm going to do.
Yes, it's funny you say that because I'm the type of person who always want to be an entrepreneur. I always want more. I'm just a go-getter. I feel like there's so much more that I could do besides the salary. Yeah, I did get paid good. I was working at a bank, and I am a licensed financial advisor. But I'm time back. I don't want to be in control. I don't want to be told when to wake up, when to go to lunch, when to eat, when to go on vacation. I don't like those limitations. So I knew I had to do something at the same time while I had a job. So I always built my business when I had a job. Consistently, I made sure for the last year when the pandemic hit, it just forced me to be still. It forced me to be focused on my business. And that's when my business really took a turn, when I really got still and focused. So the pandemic was a blessing and a curse for me personally. So I was able to consistently make at least $10,000 a month. So I knew I had something going. And then Clubhouse came, I was like, oh my God, this is it. This is it. And once I was consistently building every day, my bank went through a transition, and I was like, okay, this is it. It's time to go. I didn't like the transition. My business was running smoothly. I knew I had a backup plan. I had more confidence in just turning that position down. They even offered me a bonus to stay, and I still said no. It's time for me to go and really fulfill my purpose. Now I could actually help other entrepreneurs do their business while I run my business. So it was just time to go. You know when it's time to go, but do have a foundation built before you do leave.
Yeah.